What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to convert a JPEG or a PNG file into a PDF. So it's a very quick and easy tutorial. A lot of folks were actually asking about this. So the way that you do this is if you have a JPEG or PNG file, as you see over here, I have the Skyrim JPEG file right here. Pretty cool. As you can see, my boy about to beat this dragon up with a sword and shield. He got this. He got this, man. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to this website called Combined PDF. There's other ones out there, but to me, honestly, this is the simplest, easiest, and cleanest one to honestly use. And what you want to do is, depending on what file you have, so if you have a JPEG like the one I was discussing, or again PNG, same thing, you want to take the file, you want to get the file, you want to drag and drop it in here, and you want to just basically let it do its magic, do the combine or convert per se, and then open it up, and voila, as you can see now, this picture is now in a PDF file format. So you may be wondering, like, why the hell would I want to do that? So a lot of folks actually, it's mostly for like documentation purposes and upload purposes. A lot of times, usually, like when you're trying to like submit an application, sometimes they don't take JPEG file. They actually say, hey, we want a PDF file instead, or maybe you want to submit it, have these like documents ready and kind of have it like all stored in a centralized location. Sometimes folks want to have it in a PDF rather than a JPEG or a PNG file. So a lot of times you can actually kind of go down this route and do this. So it's, like I said, very quick, easy tutorial to do, and definitely free. You don't have to pay anything for this. And I would recommend you guys to kind of check the website out. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, more tutorials out. Peace.